The other side of Africa, what they don't show you. This is Africa. Not the Africa you've been shown 1,000 times before, but a side rarely broadcast to the world, a continent of billion-dollar megacities, futuristic smart hubs, and a young generation rewriting what's possible. For decades, Africa has been packaged as a single story of poverty, wildlife, and struggle. But behind that narrow frame lies a place so rich, so vibrant, and so forward-looking that it might just change how you see the world. From the minerals powering the smartphone in your hand, to the music and fashion reshaping global culture, Africa is more than a backdrop. It's a force of the future. And today, we're pulling back the curtain to show you the Africa you've never been told about. If you're ready for an eye-opening journey, hit subscribe and let's dive in. Chapter 1. Africa's Hidden Cities of the Future. Forget the outdated postcards of slums, huts, and dusty roads. Africa today is home to some of the fastest-growing cities on Earth. Lagos in Nigeria pulses with over 20 million people and an economy larger than many entire nations. Nairobi in Kenya has transformed into a regional tech powerhouse, earning its nickname Silicon Savannah. Kigali in Rwanda is celebrated as one of the cleanest and most organized cities in Africa, while Addis Ababa in Ethiopia is sprouting gleaming skyscrapers at an astonishing pace. For most viewers around the world, this isn't the Africa they're used to seeing on TV, but it's the Africa millions wake up to every day. Chapter 2. The Real Wealth Beneath the Ground. Africa's wealth is not a myth. Beneath its soil lies over 30% of the planet's mineral reserves: gold, diamonds, cobalt, oil, gas, platinum, and rare earth metals essential to the smartphones, laptops, and electric cars we use every day. The Democratic Republic of Congo alone supplies over 70% of the world's cobalt, critical for rechargeable batteries. Angola is one of the world's top diamond producers. South Africa still holds some of the richest gold deposits on the planet, yet outside of Africa, this staggering wealth is rarely highlighted in mainstream conversations. As we go along, we'll explore how these resources are shaping global industries, and how African countries are slowly shifting from being raw exporters to value creators, adding manufacturing, refining, and local ownership to their natural riches. Chapter 3. Tech and Innovation You Didn't Know Existed. Africa is not just about resources, it's about ideas. While Silicon Valley gets all the headlines, the mobile money revolution was born in Kenya with M-Pesa, changing how millions handle cash without a bank account. Rwanda has pioneered drone delivery of blood and medical supplies to remote villages, saving thousands of lives. Nigeria's fintech startups are attracting billions of dollars in investment, while South Africa and Egypt are developing their own space programs. Across the continent, young innovators are tackling challenges with homegrown solutions, from off-grid solar power to AI-driven agriculture. This is not the Africa of handouts. This is the Africa of breakthroughs. Chapter 4. Natural Wonders Beyond the Safari. Yes, Africa has breathtaking wildlife, but its natural wonders go far beyond safaris. Victoria Falls thunders across the Zambia-Zimbabwe border, one of the largest waterfalls in the world. The Namib Desert paints vast dunes in shades of orange and red, some of the tallest on Earth. Ethiopia's Danakil Depression, with its neon-colored Dalol hot springs, looks like an alien planet. Lake Malawi shimmers with more species of fish than any other lake on Earth. Mount Kilimanjaro rises snow-capped over the Tanzanian plains, while the Congo Basin is the second-largest rainforest on the planet. These aren't just tourist sites, they're ecological treasures shaping global climate, biodiversity, and even science. Chapter 5. Culture and Global Influence. From Afrobeat rhythms filling dance floors worldwide to Nollywood films surpassing Hollywood in production volume, Africa's culture is no longer hidden. It's global. African artists are topping international charts and are collaborating with other international artists on a broader scale. Fashion houses in Dakar, Johannesburg, and Lagos are redefining style with bold prints and modern silhouettes. African literature from authors like Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie and Ngugi wa Thiong'o is studied worldwide. And with a median age of under 20, Africa's young population is shaping digital culture on TikTok, Instagram, and beyond. This is not a continent following trends. It's setting them. Chapter 6. Africa's Renewable Energy Revolution. Africa is also at the forefront of one of the biggest shifts on the planet: renewable energy. With abundant sunlight and wind, countries from Morocco to South Africa are building massive solar farms and wind parks. Kenya already produces over 90% of its electricity from renewable sources, including geothermal power from the Rift Valley. In Senegal and Egypt, new solar megaprojects are lighting up thousands of homes and streets. These investments don't just bring electricity, they create jobs, lower carbon emissions, and give rural areas a chance to leapfrog straight into a cleaner future without coal or oil. Chapter 7. Education and the Rise of a New Workforce. Across the continent, education is changing. Private universities and tech boot camps are springing up in Ghana, Kenya, and Nigeria. In Ethiopia, the number of university graduates has doubled in a decade. Coding schools like Andela are training thousands of software engineers who now work remotely for companies in the US and Europe. With one of the youngest populations in the world, Africa is on the verge of unleashing a workforce that could drive innovation, production, and entrepreneurship on a scale unseen before. This chapter shows how investing in education is fueling the continent's transformation from within. Chapter 8. Tourism and Unexpected Adventures. While traditional safaris remain popular, a new wave of tourism is emerging. Luxury eco-lodges in Namibia, adventure sports in Uganda's whitewater rivers, hiking in the Simeon Mountains, wine tours in South Africa's Cape Winelands, and urban experiences in Accra or Dakar are drawing travelers who want more than just wildlife photos. Tourism now supports millions of jobs and showcases Africa's diversity in landscapes, cultures, and cuisines, and as stability improves in many regions, the potential for sustainable tourism is staggering. Chapter 9. The Africa of Tomorrow. By 2050, Africa's population is expected to double, making it home to 1 in 4 people on Earth. The African Continental Free Trade Area, AfCFTA, is uniting 54 countries into a single market of 1.4 billion people, one of the largest economic zones in the world. Massive infrastructure projects, highways, high-speed rail, ports, and internet cables are knitting the continent together. If these trends continue, Africa won't just be a story of potential, it will be one of power. Understanding this now isn't just interesting. It's essential for anyone who wants to understand the future of the global economy. Conclusion: rewriting the narrative. The Africa you've just seen is real. Its cities of glass and steel rising beside ancient landscapes. Its billion-dollar tech startups born in informal markets. Its mineral wealth that powers the modern world. Clean energy that lights its future, and cultural energy that powers its soul. For too long, the world has been shown only one side of this continent, but you right now have glimpsed the other, and the next time someone says Africa as if it's one story, you'll know it's a million stories, and they're just beginning. If you found this eye-opening, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our next deep dive into the hidden sides of the world.